How to change Binance address on PC. Now, for example, you want to receive a crypto from another exchange platform, for example, Bitget. Now, how to get our Binance address? Now go to deposit and click on deposit crypto. Now, for example, I will select USDT, the same I set it here because I want to receive USDT from that platform. Now, after you select it, now here in the network, as you can see, if I select TRX, this is my Binance address for this network. Now, for example, you realize that you sit in Bitget, not the TRX network, you sit BIP. And now you realize that you sit the wrong network. Now, if you want to change the address, now select the same network you set it here in Bitget. Now, for example, in Bitget, I set BIP 20. As you can see, the address is changed. So this is how to change Binance address on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.